Hello everyone, welcome back to the OriginPro complete course. In our previous lessons, we explored the OriginPro interface and workspace. In today, we will learn one of the most important concept of OriginPro, the understanding the project, workbook and worksheet. The many beginners get the confused between the three components. However, one you understand the relationship managing and the data analysis in OriginPro become much easier. By end of these lessons, you will understand the what is the project, workbook, worksheet, difference between the project, workbook and worksheet, how to create it and manage them, the best practice for the organizing the research data. So why this is important topic? Before the creating the graph and performing the statistical analysis, you need a proper place to store the organizing your data. Think of OriginPro as a digital laboratory for the research. Just a laboratory contains cabinets, folder and the data sheet. OriginPro contain for the project, workbook and worksheet. The understanding this structure will help you manage even very large research project efficiently. So the what is the project in OriginPro? A project is a highest level of container in OriginPro. Everything you create is stored inside the project. A project can contain for workbook, worksheet, graph, matrix book, analysis report, notes and the image. So one of the example of the OriginPro, suppose you are conducting a plant growth experiment for your project, may connect a workbook is entered to the raw data and workbook to processing data and the graph one for the growth curve and the graph 2 for the box plot and the report 1 for the statistical result. So all those components are stored inside a OriginPro project. So the project file extensions is save for the OPJU format. This is the default format for the OriginPro all files. Then creating a new project in OriginPro, the two method, the one method for the click file and new and creating the new project, and the another one for the toolbar icon, the first file for the new project. So the two options created for the OriginPro project file and the keep organizing the your data for the help. And the what is the workbook? The inside of the project, the data stored in workbook. A workbook act like the folder containing one or more worksheet. Think if let's like this, project for the research folder and workbook for the data folder and worksheet for the individual data sheet. The workbook characteristics here connect for the one worksheet and the multiple worksheet options. Then the workbook can also connect here raw data, processing data and the calculate research. The example for the workbook name, the plant growth study and worksheet for the sheet 1, measurement, raw data measurement and the weekly average the data, and the third one for the growth rate calculations. Those all the worksheet belonging the one workbook. And workbook window component, For open the one workbook, example for this is a one workbook, and the column header for the AX, BY, and more the created the column for the shortcut options for the toolbar, add new columns. So they created the multiple columns, CY, DY, EY, and the FY, GY, and row numbers the displayed for the left side 1 and 2 3 4, and the worksheet tab located at the bottom, the sheet 1 and sheet 2 and the sheet 3, and the workbook title display in the top. This is for the workbook 1, and this is help identified for the your data source for the workbook title. And what is the worksheet? The worksheet is actual locations where the data is entered. The worksheet containing the raw and the columns. This is where you perform the most data enter takes. For the example, the time data and the height, and enter the data time for 1 2 3 and the 4 and 5, and the height for 10 12 15 19 and 22. So the table stored inside the worksheet, and the worksheet purpose data entry, the data store, and the data processing, and the data analysis, and graph creating. Almost every OriginPro analysis begin with the worksheet data. So the understanding the column designations, the one powerful feature of the OriginPro is common designations. So the columns can be ascending the specific the role. The X column, the X columns is a independent variable. Example for the time, temperature, and the concentrations. And all the Y columns is a dependent variable. Example for the height, observations, and the response. And also error column connect the standard error. The example I created G, Y is changed to the X error or the Y error. Also the change for the standard error, standard deviation, and the confidence interval values. And the label column, the first one for the label column used for the sample name, the categories, and the group columns. So then log name, unit name, and the commands, each the worksheet the column contains the metadata. Example for the descriptive variable names for the log name, example for the plant height, and the unit for the measurements. Example for the plant height centimeter, and the time is a hour, anyone the unit name. And the commands for the additional notes, example for the week 1 measurements, and the OriginPro automatically use this information when generated the graphs. This is saves a lot of the formatting the time. And the relationship between the project workbook and the worksheet. This is understand for the exactly the level 1 for the project, and level 2 for the workbook, and level 3 for the worksheet. The imaging for the university examples, the university for the project file, and the department for the workbook, and the classroom is a worksheet. And creating for the multiple worksheet, sometimes the one worksheet is not engaged. So example for the creating the multiple worksheet, the sheet 1 for the raw data, and sheet 2 for the clean data, and C3 for the statistical data, and the C4 for the summary data. And also the created for the multiple sheet, click for the add sheet, the below for the workbook column, and remaining for the workbook and the worksheet. Never keep the default name like the book 1, book 2, or sheet 1, sheet 2. Instead, use the meaningful names. Example for the workbook is a plant growth experiments. I change the name for the plant growth experiments. So the change project. Plant growth experiments for the project. This is a workbook. Plant growth. So they change the plant growth, and our project name is a plant growth experiment. Our workbook name is a plant growth, and worksheet enter the raw data. So this is the raw data and the average value and the ANOVA result. Prepare the naming for the improve the project organization. So under the managing the large research project, for the large research of the data, creating the separate workbook for the different the experiments. The example for the workbook 1 and the control group, and workbook 2 for the treatment group, and workbook the 3 for the final result, and workbook 4 for the graphs. This is a structure the max the navigation is much easier. And any doubt on this project, workbook and worksheet the related for the OriginPro completed course, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this lessons video for the OriginPro, click to the subscription for our channel and support to me, join to our channel membership. We will see the next one video for the OriginPro complete course. Thank you for watching this video.